What's up guys, this is TampaTec and I'm going to show you how to connect your PlayStation 1, PlayStation 2, 3, 4, and PlayStation 5 all on one TV. And only thing you need is turn on the PlayStation and it will automatically switch to that input and boom, on your screen, which is super easy and convenient. So I'm using the PlayStation 1 Mini Classic. This one is modded and has all the games on the USB drive right here. This has an HDMI output, which is important. I'm going to show you why later. Now right here I have a slim PlayStation 2 and a slim PlayStation 3 and also the PlayStation 4, which is also the slim. And then I have the beefy, chunky PlayStation 5, which can probably eat the PlayStation 4. Now to get this all working, you have to use a 5-port HDMI switcher. This is a 4K 60 Hz auto HDMI switch, and also it comes with a remote, but we're not going to need that because it automatically switches. So we're going to tap this button right here and we're going to power off, hit X, and we're going to completely turn off the PlayStation 5. Now on my automatic HDMI switch, if I turn on my PlayStation 1, the switch will automatically detect HDMI 1 on the switch. The auto switch will automatically switch to the correct input on here and then send that to my TV. And then I just have to grab one of my controllers, which I think it's this one, and turn it on and press X, and it should load all my games. So this one is actually a modded PlayStation 1. And there's my games. Alright, very cool. And you want to make sure you turn that off before you turn on another device. So now we're going to turn on the PlayStation 2 and see if that works. It should automatically switch. And it does. And boom, it's on the screen. How cool is that? And yes, I know, PlayStation 2 is not HDMI ready. You would have to get the PlayStation to HDMI adapter. So this plugs directly into the PlayStation 2, and this plugs into the auto switch. And you have a micro USB cable because it has to be powered. So it's basically just a micro USB to power this up-converted device to up-convert to HDMI to your HD TV, or to the auto switch, then it goes to your HD TV. And there we have it. That's the PlayStation 2. I think I have to hold the button down. Turn on the PlayStation 3. Looks like it is working. Alright, cool. So that's PlayStation 3. And now the PlayStation 4. And back to PlayStation 5. And turn that on, and boom, it switches to input 5, and we have it on the TV now. Right here is the 5-port HDMI switcher. This is 4K ready, 60 Hz, and this is the auto switch. It automatically detects the signal and switches automatically. That's if the other devices are turned off, and the device that you want to show an image, you turn that device on only, and then it will detect that signal and switch it to this output right here. So it has one output, 5 inputs and one output, and you have to have it powered. So I'm going to unplug this one that's going to my TV, and I'm going to connect my projector to this 4K HDMI cable. And what we're going to do is we're going to hit the PlayStation button on the controller. So turned on the PlayStation 5 with the controller. PlayStation 5 tells the auto switch to send the signal to the projector, and the projector turns on and switches to the proper input. It's that easy. Everything's so smart. So guys, if you guys are interested in the 5-port HDMI auto switcher, check out the link in the video description below. That is an affiliate link, but does not cost any extra for you guys, but does support the channel. Anyhow, this thing is great if you have a TV that has limited HDMI ports or a projector that only has 1 or 2 HDMI ports. This thing works terrific. The only issue I did have after owning it for months is that I had to unplug the power and wait about 30 seconds to reset it. That's if you don't get a signal. Another trick to use, like to fix that no signal issue, is reseating the HDMI connection that's having an issue. Other than that, this thing works really well, and out of all of them I ever used in doing home theater, because I used to be in home theater doing installations, this thing works really well. Probably the best I ever used of all the switches. If you guys found this video informative, give me a big thumbs up, and if you know anyone that this video may interest or help, go ahead and click on the share button below, share this video to them, subscribe, and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech videos.